Is Rebecca and I work for the Pierce County Library System. Today I'm going to show you a fun and interesting yet a bit messy science experiment that I did with my 4-year-old, although I think it would work maybe even better with a bit older kids. And then I'm going to show you how to get to some downloadable ebooks that have to do with science experiments through Overdrive, through the Pierce County Library website. So first, the science experiment, we decided to freeze 6 toy dinosaurs we had around the house, but use what you have. And then we used different methods to melt or de-ice them. So we had 6 different ice cubes and we put 5 of them into cups. The first cup we poured hot water into, so we used a coffee mug actually for that one. The second we let melt at room temperature. The third we put salt on top of the ice cube. The fourth we poured warm water onto. And the fifth we put the ice cube into the refrigerator to see how long that would melt. And then the sixth we added. The 6th we smashed with a hammer. And we guessed or hypothesized before we started how quickly the ice would melt, or in the case of the hammer, get smashed away. And then we compared it to what actually happened. Now, the salt one was maybe the most interesting of the 6. So usually water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, but when it's mixed with salt, it lowers the freezing point, and that means that the ice will melt. And this could be something you also bring up in the winter time when you get ice and snow outside, and we add, we put salt on top of that ice. Now, the refrigerator one actually took a couple days, so it was interesting to go back and see what was happening with each of them as they took time. Now, I should also show you, parents, please be careful. Supervision required when you're smashing up that ice cube for the 6th dinosaur. And then I also want to show you, though, how to get to some downloadable science experiment books. So I'm taking you right now to the piercecountylibrary.org homepage, and we're going to scroll down a little bit until we see these 12 different boxes with icons inside of them. And we're going to click on the bottom left one that says downloads. And it's going to take us to our digital media page. And I'm going to click under ebooks. It says Overdrive Libby. This is where most of the Pierce County Library ebooks and audiobooks can be found. Now, it took me straight to the Pierce County Library System Kids page for Overdrive ebooks and audiobooks because I had already been to this page before. And as you can see, some things are already divided into themes. We've got some anti-racism books. We have books that have to do with the summer reading theme, Dig Deeper. There's some STEAM items. I'm going to stay at the top, though, and just go ahead and search science experiments. There we go. And it brings up about 112 different results. And even that first one, the Everything Kids Science Experiment book, has an ice experiment, it looks like, which looks perfect, and it's available. So I could download it today. I could borrow it today with my library card and PIN. The library card is the full 14 digits found on the back of your library card, while your PIN should be the last 4 digits of your phone number. Now, if you have any questions about that, please call us at 253-548-3300, and we can try and get that figured out for you. Now, if you want to see only things that you can borrow today, on the left-hand side under availability, you can go ahead and click Available Now, and then you only see available items, and it has that orange little top layer on each book. I hope that helps. I hope you enjoy your science experiments. Stay safe, everybody. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to give us a call at 253-548-3300 or email at webref@piercecountylibrary.org, and hopefully we can answer your question as soon as possible.